Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by seeing whether a problem already involves e or exponents. This is the only way in many cases. Identify numbers greater than 0 because ln of non-positive values is undefined. Once done, rewrite a x equals b problems as x equals ln, b slash ln, a when needed. Make sure to convert ex to ln directly. X equals ln, y. You'll move fast if you habitually ask, can this expression be rewritten as e something? That small check saves algebra later. You now apply the core rules to simplify. Split products into sums, quotients into differences, and bring exponents down as multipliers. That's the only way to linearize messy expressions. Once you have linear terms in ln, collect like terms and factor out coefficients so you can isolate the variable. Make sure to use change of base when a different base appears. Rewrite it as ln x slash ln base to stay consistent. This reduces numerical error and clarifies the algebraic path to the solution. You finish by isolating the ln expression and undoing it with the exponential. If ln x equals a, then x equals ea. That completes the only way transition from log to value. Once solved, always check the domain. Values must be positive, so discard any introduced negatives. If your numeric answer seems off, recompute using the collected ln form and avoid premature approximations. Troubleshooting tip. If results fail domain or seem inconsistent, retrace algebra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.